Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Right now we have RC cars everywhere in my shop here. Bunch of small scale. We got the 1/10 little drift car, and the one we are reviewing today, the two we are reviewing today, ECX Temper Gen 2s. Let's get into it. So we got two ECX Temper Gen 2s here, blue one and a yellow one. We're gonna pop them out of the box, and before we even go anywhere, both of these don't work. And I'm gonna tell you the whole situation here once I get them out of the box. Both of these are off eBay bidding, a bidding war that I had. Same seller, RC for U77, starts everything in a cent. You can get good deals, sometimes they're not, but it's bidding, so you can kind of back out whenever you want. This one was $50. We'll talk with the blue first. 50 bucks. It's got batteries in it. Bad ESC and receiver in this one. Maybe it's not though, maybe we could test it. Now here's how this kind of works here. Some deals are good, some deals not as good. So this one, 50 bucks, this one came with everything. Charger, I'm assuming. Brand new basically in the box. So that's the blue one. Let's scoot that guy back. And then the yellow one. Yellow one I paid $60 for. Bad ESC receiver, but this wasn't listed. Broken shaft here. So they posted probably 50 of these things. So I don't blame them for not posting that this one had a broken shaft. But I paid 60 bucks for this one. Sometimes when you're bidding, guys, your pride gets in the way. Like, I'm very competitive. I don't like to lose. So it kind of makes it hard when I bid, because I'm like, I just want to win. And I got to keep in mind that sometimes it's not a great deal, but 60 bucks, just use this one as a parts one for that one. I don't need two of them. That was kind of the deal. I was trying to get one that had different broken parts, but I ended up getting two, had the same issue, which kind of sucks, but that's my fault. So let's see if these work. Like, by the off chance that maybe they listed it wrong or something, let's just take a peek here. So let's start with the blue. The remote's on. Let's take these guys out. These are 1/18 scale, by the way. Like this guy goes there, this guy goes there. Okay, so this one says bad ESC receiver. Okay, let's go to the yellow one here and see what the deal is with that. Yellow one, right over here, got the broken shaft. Slide it in. That sounds kind of gross. Let's see here. Servo's unplugged. Again, servo doesn't work. I'm wondering why. Like, that to me doesn't seem like the ESC's not working and the receiver, because it's clearly responding. Maybe that's why though. Maybe it's just because the servo can't work because of the receiver. I don't know. So guys, I was just puttering with him a bit. Still don't know exactly what's wrong. Now, it turns out I was plugging in the light bar, but the light bar doesn't get any power. So maybe this is bad. If it is, we're gonna upgrade to some different stuff. And I think I'm only gonna build one. There's no real point of building two for me. We're gonna do our better platform here, which is the blue one. This one, it has that broken shaft, but it also sounded kind of rough. So I say we just use this one for parts. So now we got a bunch of parts. If anything goes wrong on the blue one, this one's just gonna be used for that. Keep in mind too, these are the same scale. This is 1/18. These things look huge just because of their wheels and their stance, but they're actually the same kind of body size. So I find that pretty funny. But yeah, if you guys wanna see more builds, we got the Tempers, we got the 1/10 Red Cat, tons of smaller stuff, lots of builds coming, guys. And if you want to see this, make sure you subscribe. We're gonna be building it up, getting it ready to be a real performer on the rocks. So thank you guys so much for watching, as always, and we'll catch you in the next video. Peace.